Hey guys, welcome back. I'm sitting in what I'm calling my podcast chair. It's not technically my chair, it's my husband's chair. But I mentioned in another video that his office is got a bathroom attached to it that is under construction. So this chair got moved in here. So if you're, hey, I'll try filming in it. It's actually really comfortable. I'm like, I like this. I'm gonna keep using this chair, although it kind of slides around a bit. Anyway, this is a Project 5 pan update. And I have a lot of empties actually. I have made really good progress. So I am going to be adding in 3 new things, which is really exciting. And if you're new and you like Project Pan and stick around for more, subscribe. And let's just do the empties first because they are more exciting. This empty, I can't remember if I did show this in the last update, but this was the Hard Candy Pore Defense Primer. It is a wonderful pore filling primer. Absolutely love it. It's great. So I used that up. And I also finished the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Foundation, which is hard to say. This one I like, but I don't love. It's not as long lasting as I would like. And so I'm glad that I used this up. Also, the shade was a little bit too dark for me. This I love, and this I would repurchase, but I finished this too, the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. This is in Fair 140W. This matches me really well, and I loved this. Coverage-wise, this is similar to that ColourPop one, but this has way better lasting power, so I would definitely recommend this over the ColourPop. This does also technically have SPF 30. I always wear SPF anyway under my makeup, but this is a really good product. I would totally buy this again. I think it's amazing. And then this one I also loved, and this one I'm glad that I used it up, but I'm sad because I love this concealer so much. It's the Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. I did take the stopper out. I used up every last drop. I was like, I am not wasting this concealer. It is so good. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. It's amazing concealer. So those items are all done and used up. This one, I do have progress. I'll show a comparison photo. This is the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Powder, and I have expanded the pan. Not a ton, but I see a difference. Let me know if you see a difference. I really like this powder. As you can see, the lid broke off a while ago, and I could repress it into something else. I do have empty compacts. I've just been kind of lazy and I haven't really done that, so I just leave it sitting up like this in a drawer. I don't travel with it because it would make a mess. But yeah, at some point, I'd like to repress this into another compact because I definitely have some empty ones that I like to keep around for that purpose, but I'm making progress. This item I haven't used that much, and I considered taking it out of the project, but I've decided to keep it in for now. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Stone. I do like this gloss. I really like this formula. The cream formula. The ones that have shimmer, I don't like. It starts to feel a bit gritty after a while. So I don't know. You can see there's air gaps, you know, if I do this. I've used this a decent amount, but I think there's a lot in here. I don't know. How much is in here? I don't know. I don't see it anywhere, or if it's there, it's teeny tiny. Oh, here we go. 0.18 fluid ounces. Well, I don't know. Maybe that's kind of standard for a lip gloss, but I thought about taking this out, but I think I'm going to leave it in for now. But this, I don't know. If I don't make good progress on this, this might come out of the project. So we'll think about that. Now, so I am going to add in 3 things. First up, the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Makeup Setting Spray. I like to use this to prep my face for makeup. I kind of forget about this step a lot of the time, but I like it. I like to do it. It feels kind of nice. This does actually have a nice spray on it. You can use it to set your face too. And, oh, I just ate some, hold on. Okay, this actually does have a really fine mist on it, so I could use it to set my face like I just did. It says it is a waterproof, transfer-proof setting spray that locks your makeup for 16 hours with a natural finish. Peptides, niacinamide, green tea, and aloe vera. So I like this, actually. I just, don't use it all that often, but anyway, I'm going to work on that. Okay, the next item is going to be the What's Up Beauty Positivity Primer. This is a really nice primer. This is a hydrating primer, and this feels amazing on the skin, but it also helps foundation stay on longer. I think it is absolutely fantastic. This is a really, really good product. I love it. Opaque packaging, so hard to see. I've used up some. I think there's a lot of air in this. But yeah, I'm going to add that in. And then I was kind of debating, but I think I want to add this in. This is the, what is this? Milani Fruit Fetish lip oil? Is it a lip oil or lip gloss? I don't know. This is in the shade Honey Fig, and this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing it with just a lip liner. And this is a really nice sheer formula. It's got some color, shine. It's really, really comfortable. Has like a bit of like a fruity taste. So yeah, I thought I would add this in. And this you can kind of see that it's settled to there. So this actually says there's 0.135 fluid ounces. And then I think I said the Maybelline has 0.18. Okay, so there is significantly more in the Maybelline than the Milani. But I don't know. Maybe it's too much to work on two glosses at the same time, and I haven't even been using this one that much, but we'll see. So right now for this project, it's going to be the Milani lip oil, the Maybelline gloss, the What's Up Beauty primer, the Pretty Fresh setting spray, and then the Wet n Wild powder. So pretty good. I have to say I'm really thrilled with the Empties, and I'm really happy that I finished the concealer and the two foundations. That is awesome. So that is it. Let us know how your project pans are going. I hope you guys are doing well. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.